This is my Holden Statesman. That's how I done it. It's a bit rough, alright. That's alright. It's not sponge anything, remember, this is just paint. That's what happens. Yeah, looks alright. What I will do later down the track, clean all these parts here, make them all a bit cleaner. I need to put that back on because my seatbelt's playing up. I'm thinking about buying a new seatbelt. Yeah, it doesn't roll back in. I cleaned it, sprayed it, used my air blower to clean it, but no, still doesn't want to fold back in. It's time for a new one. Anyway, this is from this. Yeah, I took the whole lot, the roof lining down, took it all down, put it through the door, laid the seats down, slide it through there, gave it a good clean, make sure all the shit's taken off it, and yeah, much better now. Yeah, there's a Holden icon there, the lion, and I've got one behind me too. My new seat covers. Just looking at this, I don't know, that's a rip in it. If that is, I will contact the seller. Well, that's got a rip. Okay. If it comes with it, I don't know. Yeah. It gets pretty warm, this seat covers. Like, remember, leather seats in this. So every so often I get my towel and just chuck it on the driver's side if I'm wearing shorts. Yeah. Oh, well, this is the video about the roof lining. So it stands out with the black roof lining up top, fiberglass. It looks good with a like a creamy or whitish colour panels on it, eh? Stands out. Yeah, looks really nice. Oh, well, that's the idea for my purple got saggy roof lining. Yep, just do what I did. Works out cheaper.